Hey everyone, welcome to EarnFast. Today I'll show you how you can earn real money just by doing online surveys, sitting at home, in your free time. Big companies want to know what customers think about their products, and for that, they pay for surveys. You simply answer questions about products, services, or your preferences, and you get paid for your opinion. Simple, right? Now, not every site is trustworthy. Here are some legit websites you can start with: Swagbucks, Toluna, Y-Sense, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars. These platforms are free to join and they even offer bonuses when you sign up. Starting is super simple. Here's how. Create an account on these sites. Complete your profile properly. This helps you get better paying surveys. Check your email regularly for new surveys. Be honest and consistent with your answers. It increases your chances of getting more surveys. Pro tips to earn more. Join multiple survey sites. Set a fixed time daily to complete surveys. Redeem your rewards wisely, either through PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. Remember, surveys won't make you a millionaire, but they're great for extra income. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more ways to earn online. Comment below if you want me to share more secret sites for surveys. This is EarnFast, turning your free time into real cash.